Alright, so this is question number 56 on stoichiometry, and if you're very smart, it means that in the next 10 seconds you might as well be done with this video. This is molarity, so we just need to do the moles of the LICL divided by the volume of the solution. Volume of the solution is there 300, you convert that, and then for the moles, mass over molar mass, and you're done. Yeah. So now if you didn't get that, then we're going to have to do it step by step. And let's get into it, shall we? By the way, if you've gotten it already, you can just like this video and I'll see you on the next one. But yeah, let's do it step by step now. Calculate the molarity of LiCl. Let's quickly get the molar mass of LiCl, shall we? So Li is 6.94, that's lithium. And then your chlorine is 35.5. If you should do that, you should have about 42.44 grams per mole. Let's leave that aside. Then we can also get the moles of the LiCl that we're dropping into the water. The LiCl is the solute, and then your water is the solvent. So what is the moles of LiCl? It's just mass divided by the molar mass, okay? The mass is 54 grams, and then the molar mass is 42.44. So yeah, let's quickly calculate that. Is that 1.272? And that will be in moles. So that's the moles of the solute, LiCl. Now, what's the volume of the solution? By the way, just like we explained in the previous video, 55, question 55, when you drop the lithium inside the water is your solvent, right? But then when you drop the lithium inside, you form a solution. So what we're saying here is that the volume of the solution is basically the volume of the solvent in this case, because the solute is not a really large stuff. Okay, it doesn't really affect the volume, it just dissolves in it. Alright, so we have the volume of the solution to be 300 ml. Like I said, 1000 ml is 1 liter. So if you do an arrangement here and write 1 liter divided by 1000 ml, since they are equivalent, this can cancel out this, and you find out that if you should do this division, you would have 0.3 liters. So you've now converted it to liters. So what's left? We have our volume, we have our moles, just divide it and you're done. The concentration, in this case, we're calling it molarity, is number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution, and that's 1.272 moles divided by 0.3. Is this making sense to you? Let me know in the comments, because I'm having 4.24 mole per liter here. Okay, and that will be the answer. If you don't want to leave it in moles per liter, you can write moles per dm cubed, and you can also write a capital M. So you can write 4.24 with a capital M, and that would be your unit in molar. Still the same molarity we're talking about, okay? Make sure it's capital M you're writing and not small m, because small m would mean another thing. This is chemistry. That's how it works. Alright, so I shall see you on 57. Bye.